Okay, so this is super cool. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this bubble birthday cake. This was sent to us by a friend for Miss Eleanor's birthday celebration. She just turned 3 years old, and she sent us this super cute birthday cake, and I have to show you guys this. It's so awesome. So it did come with some stickers that I didn't end up putting on here, but you can see it has all of these little decorations. These pop off. You can push them down, and when you push them, give them a little bit of force, and they'll actually stay in place really well, and they won't wobble around too much. You can see there's a button on it. We have already installed the 4 batteries that it takes, and I put some dog-safe bubbles into this. You can use regular bubbles, but since we're using it for the dogs, we're going to put some dog-safe bubbles in. It has 2 modes. One mode sings, and one mode just blows bubbles. So let's see. So that's the singing one. Sings happy birthday. Eleanor's like, whoa, that's a lot of bubbles. That's a lot of bubbles, huh? And then that's without the singing. I don't think I can explain. There you go. The amount of bubbles that this is putting on. And it lights up, which is so cute.